What is happening, everybody? Josh here from Spawn Fly Fish, and we're back on regular schedule here with a shop update live from Milwaukee, Washington. Spawn Fly Fish. So we actually got some new stuff here to showcase today. A little bit of it's trickling onto the website. I will get the rest of it on the website tonight. I mark my words on that. It will be live and it will be available for purchase. And it also is going to be here in the store. So a few things that we're going to get on the site ASAP. The Apex series from Loon Outdoors has arrived. From their plier that does it all to the plier that has a very unique purpose to a little bit of a big game hook removal, we have their Apex series here at Spawn Fly Fish. Some of these products are going to have a lot of play, whether you target big game species like we do off the rocks, or you're going to be targeting pike or other predatory fish across the globe. So these are really cool. I did film a video on this yesterday. This plier here, this is 11 inches long, just over 11 inches long at $23. This is a must-have for those of you that target big game species. Look forward to that video coming out soon. So we're really excited about these from Loon, and it's going to be good. This plier, their HD plier, is kind of a do-it-all plier. This comes with a fastener that it goes in with a drawstring, so it clips onto your belt. And this is a plier that has a ton of bells and whistles per se. So check that out. Really cool product. We did sell one here in the shop. First person that looked at it put it in their cart and took it home with them. So really excited about how that went and how it'll go for you guys. Next thing, we got to round out our Tacky. I believe now have every single box that Tacky offers, with the last two here from the Pescador series. These are the smaller of the Pescador boxes that we have. We have some very big ones, we have some medium ones, and now we have these two little more petite sizes, pocket size. Load them up, get out there. This one comes with the mag pad. Be mindful of the mag pad. This isn't going to fit your big 5.5 millimeter tungsten bead streamer that we like to use here in the shop. It's going to slip out of there. But for all intents and purposes, these are great little boxes that do the job. The next thing that we have here in the shop is not on the website. It's not really specifically for the online audience. It's just for those of you that are going to come out and visit us and are looking to keep safety in mind. We now offer life jackets. We are very aware that we do a lot of stuff that puts us in the elements or in the path of danger, especially myself. So you'll see us start to wear life jackets out there. I haven't in the past, but we will be wearing life jackets this year off the rocks, and we will recommend that you guys do so as well. So we have life jackets here in the shop. Look forward to those. These do come with a lot of bells and whistles from Johnson Outdoors, so we're really excited about that. Life jackets here, and we are ready to rock and roll. So speaking about being out on the water fishing, so it has been epic. Even me with my bum shoulder, able to tangle some steelhead, able to tangle some big cutthroat. It is a lot of fun. I would say today, if you weren't fishing, you blew it. I'm just kidding. There's still opportunity, but it is go time. I continually preach, look for that spike in the river and watch it drop. And when it drops, you got to call in sick to work and make it out to the coast, up and down the coast for those rivers that are still open. Fishing has been phenomenal. We have friends up north, and we are as far south as it gets. It's been fantastic. The people in Oregon are also doing very well, and we are very connected down there with what's going on in those rivers. So if you want to make it happen, you should fish tomorrow. If you wait a little longer, again, you risk the opportunity of that water getting a little low, a little clear, a little harder to catch. These fish are very skittish down here in our smaller systems. They can see you. So keep that in mind and be ready to come out here and tackle that species. It is go time. Last thing we want to mention, we always mention a few dates, or almost always mention a few dates. Fly tying for February, our free fly tying classes led by Pete. You guys all know him, love him. He is offering a class February 24th, 6 p.m. Sorry, I had to double check to make sure that I didn't blow it there. February 24th, 6 p.m. That's a Friday. We'll have a bunch of seats here in the shop available. Again, it is free. You're going to learn a lot, whether you're a beginning tyer or you're the most experienced tyer. Pete has something to offer for you, and we cannot wait to get after it. They've been a lot of fun. Last class maxed out. Every class fills up, and we cannot wait to get that one going. So sign-up sheet will be in the shop. If you're not planning on visiting us here soon, do call and reserve your seat because they will fill up fast. That does it here. Fishing's awesome. Some new stuff. Fly tying class on the way. Be sure to hit like, be sure to hit subscribe, and keep this thing going.